U.S. Treasury futures coming off the highs of the afternoon as we head into this statement. The 10-year note future at 127.18. We just touched a high of 127.21. The U.S. 10-year at 2.028%. The 2-10-year spread just above 21.5 basis points. Gold futures are trading near the lows of the session, down about 0.25% at 14.38.
Just cream goes to 185. I'm gonna have a steak tonight. I say that it's not for one.
So in a minute to the release of the FOMC policy statement, again expected to cut by 25 basis points. That cuts by 25 basis points as expected. Again, 25 basis point cut. IOER cut to 2.1% as expected.
So they're going to end the reduction of the balance sheet in August.
Vote 8-2, 2 dissenters, George and Rosengren dissenting.
And they are ending their runoff 2 months earlier than was anticipated there in the balance sheet.
That's a market-based inflation. Compensation gauges remain low. Foreign overall inflation are running below 2%.
Reader rates, they will act as appropriate to sustain the expansion.
The Fed will continue to monitor economic data as it contemplates the future path of rates.
Fed also cutting the interest rate on the excess reserves by 25 basis points.